In the vast expanse of our solar system, amidst the celestial dance of planets and stars, lurks a potential threat to our pale blue dot asteroid 99942 Apophis. Discovered in 2004, this near-Earth asteroid, roughly 1,100 feet in diameter, sent shivers down the spines of scientists and the public alike. Initial calculations suggested a worryingly high probability of a collision with Earth in 2029. Thankfully, further observations and refined calculations ruled out that possibility. However, Apophis will still make an uncomfortably close approach to Earth on Friday, April 13, 2029, coming within 19,000 miles of our planet's surface. That's closer than some of our satellites. While this close shave poses no immediate danger, the encounter will significantly alter Apophis's trajectory, leaving astronomers wondering about its potential for future impacts. Though the odds are slim, a future impact from Apophis is not impossible. The asteroid's orbit continues to be influenced by the gravitational pull of Earth and other planets, creating a complex web of possibilities. Understanding the potential consequences of an Apophis impact is not just an academic exercise. It is a vital step in preparing for the unlikely but devastating possibility of a cosmic collision. Should Apophis collide with Earth, the moment of impact would be marked by an unparalleled release of energy. A blinding flash would illuminate the sky, followed by a deafening roar as the asteroid slams into the planet's surface. The energy released would instantly vaporize the asteroid and a large chunk of the surrounding Earth's crust, creating a crater miles wide and thousands of feet deep. The immediate blast wave would radiate outwards at supersonic speeds, leveling everything in its path for hundreds of miles. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and the very air would be superheated to scorching temperatures, igniting massive fires. The shock waves would travel deep into the Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions far from the impact site. Millions of tons of pulverized rock and dust, known as ejecta, would be launched into the atmosphere. This debris would travel around the globe, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into an extended period of darkness.
Section 4. Ocean's Fury, the Wrath of a Watery Grave. An impact in one of Earth's oceans presents a different but no less terrifying scenario. The immense energy released would vaporize billions of tons of water, creating a massive steam plume that would rise miles into the atmosphere. The cavity created by the impact would quickly collapse, generating a series of monstrous waves, known as tsunamis, that would radiate outwards at hundreds of miles per hour. These tsunamis, dwarfing any in recorded history, would inundate coastlines thousands of miles away from the impact site. Coastal cities would be completely submerged, their infrastructure obliterated and countless lives lost. The marine ecosystem would be devastated, with entire species potentially wiped out by the shock waves, heat, and chemical changes in the water. The impact would also release massive amounts of water vapor and aerosols into the atmosphere, disrupting weather patterns and potentially triggering global climate change. The long-term consequences of an ocean impact are just as significant as a land impact, highlighting the interconnectedness of Earth's systems.
Section 5. Global upheaval ripples across the planet. The effects of an Apophis impact would not be confined to the immediate impact zone. The massive amount of dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would spread around the globe, blocking out sunlight and causing a dramatic drop in global temperatures.
This impact winter could last for months or even years, disrupting agriculture, collapsing ecosystems, and potentially leading to widespread famine. The impact would also release massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to long-term climate change. The combination of short-term cooling and long-term warming would create unpredictable and potentially catastrophic shifts in weather patterns worldwide.
The economic and social consequences of an Apophis impact are difficult to fathom. The loss of life, infrastructure, and resources would be on an unprecedented scale. The global economy would be thrown into chaos, and the social fabric of civilization would be severely tested.